Hi guys! Let's paint with squidgy! Welcome to No Brush Painting with Violina Ron. And this time, ang gagamitin natin sa pagpinta ang squidgy o yung ginagamit sa paglinis ng mga salamin ng bintana. We'll be using acrylic colors like yellow, two shades of blue, violet, green, and white. We'll start with two shades of blue plus green. Then, marahan po natin itong i-spread pababa gamit ang squeegee. If you'll notice, naglagay po tayo ng extra paper sa baba para masambot po yung mga excess paints. Spread lang to create our layers of our background and foundation. Pagsasama-samahin natin ang ating mga acrylic colors, then let our imagination works. At para makagawa tayo ng magandang acrylic landscape. Tcharan! Ito na po ang ating finished painting and I call this Whispering Waters. Silent waters dripping down the green, quiet canopy of a lush forest. O, di ba pwede? Subscribe po for more updates dito sa No Brush Painting with Beyond Minaron. Bye!